We are staying on top of breaking news out of California this hour, taking a live look right now from Pacific Palisades. This is just outside of Los Angeles, where a fast-moving wildfire has already destroyed homes and forced thousands to evacuate.
So this fire broke out this morning. Here's a better view from earlier. Fueled by the dry conditions of the Santa Ana windstorm, 60 to 80 mile per hour winds are being reported there. That fire has already burned more than 1,200 acres. Nearly 30,000 people have been ordered to evacuate. Millions of others, though, across Southern California are now under a red flag warning.
Got a call from my daughter who said, "Mom, what is going on in the air in the Los Angeles area?" I said, "Well, this is what's happening." Our Chief Meteorologist Mike Everett is here. Those strong winds likely to strengthen overnight, right?
Yeah, the worst is yet to come, believe it or not. Those winds are going to really gust up overnight. And as Greg was just mentioning, watches and warnings aplenty across the region. We've become accustomed to the yellow mustard color. That is a high wind warning. That's the highest classification that they have. And then, of course, gale warnings off the coast. And the mechanics behind this are basically such that it's kind of the perfect or imperfect storm, depending on how you want to look at it. Now, we talk all the time about high pressure and the clockwise flow around that. So you can see some of that cloud cover that's circling around the high pressure. But then there's also some low pressure over top of New Mexico and Arizona. That counterclockwise flow is literally creating a wind vacuum where that one wind coming in counterclockwise is meeting up with that clockwise wind right over top of Southern California. Now, this is a normal phenomenon, say in the fall, like September, October. To have it this time of year is really, really strange and out of the ordinary. So as far as the wind goes, you know, we've been talking about this a lot lately, the dreaded purples. Any of those winds over 40 miles an hour, well, they're going to blow right on past 40. So as we zoom in and take a look at the region here, there's Los Angeles, there's San Diego. Pacific Palisades would be right in about here. It's kind of between Santa Monica and Malibu. So take a look at this. Overnight tonight, those winds will peak right around 6 a.m. We go to Thursday. They calm down. We're done, right? No. As another system moves in, we're going to see those winds pick up yet once again. So this is right around Thursday afternoon. They'll get a little bit of a reprieve. Hopefully it allows firefighters to kind of get the upper hand. But overall, it's dry, it's gusty there, and temperatures are wildly above average.